Previously on Dinosaur Island, the Prologue, a group of paleontologists who were in search of real living dinosaurs stumbled across an island with real living dinosaurs. And they're going to continue their research for about a month. So let's see what amazing things they'll find. Setting up camp near where they crashed, they woke up the next morning. Alright, rise and shine, everyone.
I'm awake. Where's everyone?
So what should we do now? I say we should assemble a team to go back to the plane. We want to make sure our way off this island is, able to go back. Alright then. Come on, let's all go. After a little bit of driving, they make it to their destination. Alright, this is as far as I can go. Why? Can you look at that huge hill? Sure, maybe it's easy to go down it, but it's gonna be almost impossible to drive up it. He's right. You guys are just gonna have to go make it to the plane on foot from here. Alright, well, it was great. Alright, well, see you guys soon. See ya. Oh, by the way, when are we gonna be leaving the island? To be honest, I don't really want to leave, but since we have limited supplies, and plus I don't think we all want to live on an island full of dinosaurs, we'll do at least a month here. Alright. Well, see you guys in a month then. Make sure to keep you guys checked in if we spot anything interesting. Alright, take care. Well, there we go. Well, I guess we'll try to head back then. Yeah? They were about to leave until they saw another Parasaurolophus. This time, he was on his own. Wow, poor Parasaurolophus. Looks like that guy can't find hardly any grass. Over there. They suddenly noticed a predator stalking the Parasaurolophus in the bushes, a predator native to the island. They called it the Telosaurus, meaning monster lizard, weighing about 23 tons and being about 24 feet long. This creature is the top predator of the island. That? I don't know, but it looks big and scary. We should probably get out of here. They head back to camp, eager to begin their research. Celia then returns back to camp. Hey, you look like you've been busy lately. We're trying to work on some kind of camp or tent. After all, we're gonna need some shelter. We have no idea what this island's gonna hit at us. Say, where does Sarah and Gregory go? Oh, they went out to go look for some dinosaurs. They're hoping to record some live dinosaurs. They heard some commotion going off over there. And they went to go check it out, hoping that they might find some exotic creatures. Do you hear that? That doesn't sound good. We need to go. We should probably call them both back. Quick, let's take the Jeep. It'll be the fastest route there. Sarah decides to head back out to look for Sarah and Gregory. Got it. Look up ahead. It must be where they are. You give me the getaway driver, in case if anything goes wrong. Got it. Gregory! Sarah? Gregory! Where? Oh boy. You should have seen the look on your face. Okay, very funny. But guys, I think we have a problem. Look! Shh. Look. Apparently, Sarah and Gregory were recording two Stegosauruses walking through the forest, which are now heading their way. Beautiful. Gregory, Dad! Suddenly, a male Tyrannosaurus hops out of the bushes to fight the two Stegosaurs. Crap! T-Rex! We need to get out of here. We need to get out of here. Quick. Quick, back up, back up, back up, back up. Dude! Quick, other way, other way! I think we just made a left and go through these grasses. I think we'll be back to base. Bro, I'm going the wrong way! Unfortunately, they crossed paths with yet another male Tyrannosaurus. Sarah, what's the status? Still chasing us. Okay, I think I have an idea, but Sarah may not like it. What is it? Excuse us coming through. Her idea was to get the two T-Rexes to team up to attack the Stegosaurs instead. Outnumbered, the male Stegosaurus decides to retreat. The two T-Rexes successfully take down the female Stegosaurus, leaving the male on his own. However, these two T-Rexes don't seem like they want to share the carcass. The two T-Rexes decide to do a tug-of-war over the Stegosaurus, and try to pull it against each other until they rip it in half. In the end, looks like they had to share anyways. Oh, what do we do now? We have to find a different route to get back. Where the heck have you guys been? Let's just say we went on quite an adventure. Ow. So, who's up for ribs? Oh, that sounds good. Yeah, can't wait. All right, let's cook. If this is what's expected to be in store on this island, then Celia's got quite an interesting month ahead of her.